Hiccups can be bothersome, but most of the time, they go away on their own. However, if they persist or interfere with your daily activities, it's important to seek medical attention. How to get rid of hiccups, effective remedies. Hold your breath and swallow 3 times. Take a deep breath and hold it. Swallow 3 times without exhaling. Exhale slowly and check if the hiccups have stopped. Breathe into a paper bag, without lightheadedness. Take a small paper bag and place it over your mouth. Breathe slowly and deeply into the bag. Stop if you feel lightheaded or dizzy. Drink a glass of water quickly. Take a full glass of water. Drink it quickly without stopping or taking breaks. Swallow a teaspoon of sugar. Place a teaspoon of sugar on your tongue. Swallow it without drinking water afterward. Pull on your tongue. Gently pull your tongue forward. Hold it for a few seconds and release. Gargle with water. If hiccups persist or worsen, it's important to consult a doctor. If hiccups last more than 2 days or significantly affect your eating, breathing, or sleeping, contact your doctor. Subscribe for more.